All right. Is everybody ready? We rolling?
We're over here, Emma.
Everybody has a rope? All right. Hey, everybody, I'm John. I'm just going to be going over... Hey. Hey. I'm going to be going over two really basic but essential knots for camping. Most of you guys might know these, but just in case, and if you do, you can help the people next to you if they're not getting it. Essentially, I'm going to be going over the square knot and the bowline knot. The square knot generally is used for binding two ropes together. So if, like, some people like to have various lengths of cordage in their packs. I know people will do like 10-foot lines and then, you know, maybe 50-foot lines or something. But if you wanted to lash those two together, you would use a square knot. So essentially, if you grab your rope, I have the blue side on my right and the red side on my left. All right, we'll do that. Red on right, sorry. Okay, so, yeah, I'm already losing everybody. This is all bad. All right, so you're gonna go red over blue, and then you're gonna wrap the blue in and make a knot. Got it? Okay, and then red over blue again, and then you're gonna wrap that red under and make that second knot, and you're gonna pull them both together exactly. Now, the way that you know that you have a proper square knot is you can very easily loosen them up. So if you grab both lines and you go like this, that means that you got a proper square knot. Now, if you can't do that, it means you have a granny knot, and those knots are actually kind of dangerous because if you put enough tension on them, they'll actually just unravel. But if you pull on these two lines as hard as you can, the square knot's not going to unravel. And no matter what, even at a very tight hitch, you can still loosen it up really easily. And that's the thing with proper knots, is they're the most secure when they're done properly, but they're also very easy to undo and stow. So that's the square knot. Does everybody have any questions? What's that? Yeah, totally. Then you're kind of screwed. I'm not sure why they call it that. I know. It's when you do it wrong. Yeah, that was like a Boy Scout thing anyway. So that's the square knot. You can use it for other things, but essentially the main use is going to be to lash two ropes together. The next one is called a bowline, and it has like a tremendous amount of uses. I mean, like over 50 uses for the bowline. The main ones to remember is like if you're going to lash something to your gear, if you're going to lash something to a tree, you can use it for rappelling. If you're caught down in a ravine and somebody throws a rope to you, you can tie a bowline around you, and that will be the most secure knot that you can use for anchoring. So to do the bowline, same, you know, right on red, you're gonna make a loop, and I'm gonna do this. There's 4 or 5 different ways to do a bowline. You could do it with one hand. You can do it by, you know, twisting the rope up and pulling it out, and it all comes out in one easy movement. For the sake of just trying to teach it, I'm going to do it the way that they do it in the Scouts, which is super easy. You're going to wrap a loop so that the top of the rope is so that the red line is on top. All right, you're going to take that red line, you're going to put it through the hole. So in the Scouts, they say the rabbit's coming out of the hole. It goes around the tree, which is that line, the blue line, and then the rabbit goes back into the hole. And then what you do is you pull that blue line, and then you have a bowline. So let me see. Yeah, I'm going to show you guys again. So, that's right. So you're going to wrap it's like a P. And then you're going to go wrap it through the hole. Yep. Around the tree. Nope. You're going to go around this way.
Oh, around this way.
And then
back through.
And then back down into the hole.
Back down into the hole.
Yes, sir. They're right in that box right there. Let me see.
Down into the hole.
Let me see. So like when you're doing it, let's try it again. So right on red. And then loop. So the loop is going to be on top, yeah?
Yep.
Okay, now you're going to go up through the hole.
Yep.
Around the